In this video, I want to show you how to use your JBL Flip 7 without Bluetooth. If you don't want to rely on the Bluetooth connection, what should you do? Well, for this, we're going to use the USB Type-C port located right over here. You will need a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable like this one or longer that is a data cable. Some cables are only meant to be charging cables. This one also supports data transfer. So before connecting it in this port over here, let's say I want to get my audio out of this phone using the USB Type-C. I'll connect the cable first in the device, and then we need to press the play button, okay, this play button, keep it pressed, and then insert the cable inside. You're gonna release the play button, and you're gonna hear a sound telling you that it is now connected using a cable, and it has disabled Bluetooth. You see, there is no light. Whoops, now the light is back, but usually the Bluetooth light stays off. If you see that, you can always remove it. Try again. Okay, you see the light is off. And now if I play anything, it's using the cable. It's using the cable, and I can still have access to the play pause button and the volume buttons, even though it's connected using a cable and not Bluetooth. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. As soon as you remove the cable, I don't know if you saw, the Bluetooth turns back on.